Time now for your Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
Welcome back. Inversions have created less than desirable air quality in Montana's valleys for nearly a week now. In this week's Weather-Wise, the long-range forecast over the next few years, even decades, is a little more smoggy. For the future of air quality in the valleys of Montana, we need to look no further than Salt Lake City, Utah. It's an urban area with millions of people surrounded by mountains, essentially a city at the bottom of a huge bowl. At times in the winter, the air quality is worse than Los Angeles or even Beijing, China. An inversion is an atmospheric setup where warmer air is above or on top of colder air closer to the ground. This setup traps cold air, moisture, and also pollution. As Montana's population increases, the output of carbon emission will also increase. Inversions will not change, but the rate of accumulation of fine particulates will increase, deteriorating air quality more rapidly. In order to slow the buildup of pollution, Utah has implemented regulations and restrictions pertaining to emissions. Wood-burning stoves have been illegal for many years. Warming your car up by idling the engine before you get in is a big no-no. 60% of the pollution comes from cars, so Utah has expanded public transportation. Businesses are heavily regulated. There are many incentives offered to people that use solar energy and more efficient natural gas heating. The air quality is so bad the federal government has threatened to reduce federal funding to the state if it cannot reduce the PM 2.5 pollution in the next few years. But what's even worse is the potential health impacts that could be seen in the future. A future that Montana does not want. And now, you're a little more weather-wise. And those health impacts could be seen 10, 20, even 50, 60, 70 years down the road from what we're breathing in right now here. So that is something that we will face as the population here in Montana continues to grow. Not so much air quality, inversions, and issues in Great Falls and across the Montana plains and prairies because of the wind that keeps that air fresh. 43 degrees, south wind 15 miles per hour, but the air around the capital has been still for about a week now. And that's trapping that cold air, some moisture, and also the pollution. Over the weekend, the air quality in the capital did go to unhealthy for sensitive groups briefly, but calm wind, cold temperatures, and it's not that dry cold either. There's some moisture. The humidity is fairly high, so that's a little unusual here for Montana. 30s, 40s out across north central Montana, teens and 20s in the valley locations, and also in the valley locations, that air quality, again, not quite as good as across the Montana prairies of central and eastern Montana. Moderates in a few locations. This is the visible satellite from earlier today, and I know the ground really isn't gray, but here, just for the purpose of seeing the differences here, we've got the surface of the land here gray, but the white is where we either have fog here into the Big Hole Valley and some snow down into the Yellowstone area. You can see the Wind River Range right there. But the bigger picture, if you were to take Interstate 90 west of Spokane, that's where you run into a lot of that low-level moisture and pollution that is just trapped. So it's a long drive to go through the Central Valley in Washington on a normal day. You got to do it in reduced visibility. No thank you. I think I'll fly out to Seattle instead. Watches and warnings, air quality alerts from the panhandle of Idaho almost all the way over to Seattle because of air stagnation. Now, quite the opposite, though, for tomorrow from Cut Bank through Inverness and Chester, out through Havre, and down through Lewistown. This does not include Great Falls. However, the wind will be pretty strong in the Electric City heading through Tuesday. That goes all the way until midnight tomorrow for maybe some wind gusts up over 50 miles per hour. Nothing on the radar. Looking long range. Let's go all the way into this coming weekend, and not much precipitation into the state here through Wednesday, through Thursday, but notice here Friday late, yeah, some snow coming through to a wide area of Montana, big sky country. So not only will we have a storm that will hopefully scour out some of the inversions, we'll also get a little snow up in here for the middle of December. The storm is gone by Saturday, but some pretty good winds will be developing Saturday night through Sunday, and that could blow and drift around some of that snow that has accumulated. Forecast for tonight, you head really east of the mountains into the prairies, and we're in the 20s and the lower lower 30s. Some locations like Glasgow maybe a little cooler, all the way down to 24. But Lewistown, here we are in almost mid-December, and the low above freezing. That's a little unusual. And temperatures well down into the teens, maybe even a few single digits in the valleys of western Montana. Here's Tuesday's forecast. Yeah, a little hazy in the valley locations. Once again, if you head over to Missoula, you don't need the sunglasses once you get into the Missoula area because it's just locked in the fog and also some pollution. But look at the temperatures, round up even 61. Great Falls making it up into the 50s tomorrow. Pretty strong wind for the high line. For Wednesday, slightly cooler air, knocking the numbers back down into the 40s for a lot of central and eastern Montana, while the inversions likely continue through Thursday all the way into Friday. But here comes this front that will probably by Friday evening scour out that inversion in the valleys of western Montana before dropping some snow Friday night into Saturday. Here's the 7-day forecast, and there's our next system. There is also the potential of cleaner air Friday night and Saturday. Sunday, some wind and maybe some blowing and drifting of snow this weekend. I'm thinking there's a few inches that will accumulate in the lower elevations Friday night and Saturday, including Great Falls. But look at that wind Saturday up to 30 miles per hour. Sunday, it does get a little warmer, but we're up to 40 mile per hour winds, so that could make travel just a little difficult.
Wow, yeah. At least we'll have some snow, though. Bring it. We need it.
And I think we'll have more snow before Christmas as well. I think a lot of the state will have a white Christmas.
Perfect. That sounds ideal, Curtis.